Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is a very exciting time for me. Right now I am going to be finally opening a package that it's part of my series. I'm hoping to continue with it and I'm hoping to keep going, but this one I believe comes from two separate pours, two there that are in the USA. Well, I know that they're in the USA, and I'm pretty sure that there's two of them in this package. So I'm not going to give away anything. I'm just going to open up this package because I have been waiting to do so. It's Tuesday right now, and it's something that I really have been excited about. Let's just cut this top here. I don't want to cut into anything, so I'm trying to be very careful. Yeah, I'll be able to rip that, I reckon, just gently. I am trying to feature as many pours, silver pours out there as I possibly can. And with this package, I believe, I know for a fact that I contacted one. I had to then pay the other to also then forward on the money to the first person I contacted. And then that's how it works. So I don't know what's in here. I don't know what order. Oh, hello. Oh my God. What the heck? No way. Whoa. What is going on in here? Okay, just to show you guys, that's empty there. Whoa. So what is going on? Holy cow. No. I have something that says, John, I don't know which one to open up first. This one will be easy to open, so let's just leave that one aside. Let's open this one here first and go from there, really. 1 second, just going to cut this tape off. Okay. Holy cow. First off, I got a graphite mold. Holy cow. Oh, wow. That is awesome. That I can't wait to pour into. So I wanted to, as I said, feature pours and what they poured and so on and so forth. And I kind of recognize that mold. I'm not going to say who it's from, but we'll see. Let's have a look. So far, let's put that down here. There's a note, and I want to get this note out. Let me read it first just to make sure that there's nothing attached to it. Okay, right. So let's have a look here, guys. APMEX, but it's not from APMEX. John, I really appreciate you picking up a few of my simple pours. I hope they meet with your liking. I really appreciate all your kind words and support, my friend. My best to you and yours. Cheers, Mr. Zeke. Wow, so this is for Mr. Zeke. Okay, which I'm gonna guess at the moment. I don't want to say that that's his, but okay, I'm just right now blown away. I thought that was Mr. Zeke's. So let's have a look inside. I feel that there's some COAs here or something like that. I'm not too sure. I don't want to really. They're really packed in there, so that's good. Yep, there are going to be some COAs or something. So let's have a look here. Oh, and some more lovely packaging. Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, And yes, yes, yes. Oh, Mr. Zeke, you have hooked me up. I'm going to get these out. Because these are meant to be loved and adorned. They're not meant to be packaged. Wow, this is the first one here. Look at that. That is a stunning heart. This is 1.1 troy ounces. I have the Tree of Life, which is Mr. Zeke's famous mark. I'm blown away. Mr. Zeke, just for the record, this would have been suffice. Holy cow. Let's put that down. Let's have a look at the other one. I really... as I said, I've just handed... this is one of his newer ones as well. Where he's done the square, kind of very similar to like a Southern Blob company, but he's done it with his own. That's 1.2 ounces troy. But I mean that, again, I love that stamp. And there's a lot, like those new ones that you've been doing as well. Because he's been doing some keychains as well, which are really cool. I thought he'd probably throw one of those in and feel as being one of the newer pieces, and I'd feature it. And then here's a third one, which is the little button. And this is definitely on one of the newer ones. This is Tree of Life. It's a chunky little monkey. And it's half a troy ounce there. Wow. That is awesome. I mean, I was not expecting that at all. If we have a look here, just to confirm, we have the classic square, that is this one here, at 1.2. We have the small button, which is half an ounce, and that's that one right here. And we have the textured heart at 1.1 ounces, which is that. Wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. I don't think I've ever actually said wow in my videos like I have just now. I'm just blown away by that. It is just beyond words. I mean, I still don't know who the graphite mold's from. I think now it might be from the Colonel. Yes, the Colonel, guys. That's the other person. And I'm just trying to get everything out because there's stuff in here. I'm just making sure that things are not in. And things I don't want to see. Let's have a look. There's more stuff in here. Oh, fantastic. I have a letter. I'm not going to open up this thing yet. Let's just make sure. Oh, wow. Cool. Okay, so that is from the Colonel. Right. So, John, I tried something new. Hope you like it. Have fun with the mold. It's not new, but still in good shape. Peace. Colonel. Wow. So the Colonel sent me that. I'll put that one on that side as well. So I got Mr. Zeke's letter, which is off camera on the side here. And let's have a look here. Oh wow. I don't know if I can show you guys this. Oh wow. That is awesome. Holy moly. From the Colonel. 2 ounces. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now, I'm usually one of these magpies. I like things shiny, but given that Halloween and stuff, oh wow. That is really something. That and that. And then there's some other bits and bobs here. It's, oh, sorry, it says 2. So sorry, that's number 2. It is here. Sorry. It's 3.42 ounces, and it's a Frankie skull in Series 2. Thanks for your support. I thought it felt heavier than 2 ounces. And then he's thrown in some swag here, which he didn't need to do either, but Jesus. This is just spectacular. So, I have his contacts, which are down here, but he's also on my website. He's on Facebook, so you'll find him under my friends. And there's another one here. And you'll also find Mr. Zeke as well. I mean, obviously, everyone knows Mr. Zeke. You know, if you don't know Mr. Zeke, then, well, you better start going over immediately. Holy cow. For episode 4 and 5, because this is 2 pours, and these are phenomenal pieces. I am absolutely blown away. And I got a graphite mold. I'm actually speechless, guys. Thank you so much. I mean, that is beyond my expectations. I mean, I was looking for something small. And you guys have topped every expectation I could have asked for. Wow. Hey guys, please check out the channels, because I will put them in the description. If not immediately, they will be in there within the next half hour. But I'll get some up close photos as well. But I am just blown away right now. I mean, well and truly blown away by just how awesome all of this stuff is. I mean, just wow. I mean, I am looking for more pours, and I was going to plead for more pours, and I really do, because I want to continue these series. And I really am now just lost for words and incredibly grateful to both Mr. Zeke and to the Colonel. Both of you guys have just done something that has blown me away. In a short video soon to come, I'll be featuring all the pouring that I've received thus far. But this has really kind of put the cherry on top of the cake, so to speak. I am honestly blown away. I was not expecting this by any means, guys. Both of you guys are amazing. Yeah. I don't know what to say. You guys made me speechless. Holy bejeebies. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to put some photos up afterwards. Please share this around, everyone. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate just the generosity and kindness that, I've just received, and I really was not expecting this by any means. And Colonel and Mr. Zeke, you guys have just blown my mind, blown me away, and no pun intended, but I'm going to say, really touched my heart, so to speak. Shame that the skull doesn't have a jaw drop, because if you saw my face right now, wow. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to put some photos now. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to those the pictures afterwards. Thanks for the love. Thank you. Bye, guys.